It's all good. That's my fault. That's close.
What's good, everyone? Today I'm gonna teach y'all how to 5-0 fakie on a mini ramp. This is one of my favorite tricks. It looks good in lines and you get to show off in front of your friends. So with this trick, you're gonna wanna be comfortable doing 5-0 grinds and coming back into fakie. So you wanna have rock to fakie, of course. So notice how my weight is still inside of the mini ramp and not necessarily on top of the coping. You wanna be closer to your wheel when grinding or getting into the stall. I recommend just practicing the stall at first, and then once you get comfortable with the trick, you can start grinding it. And when you're ready to go back into the ramp, you want to put all your weight in your back foot and trust that your board's gonna follow. If you don't commit fully, you might clip and you might bust ass, so make sure that you committing and always have fun skateboarding. Remember, repetition is the mother of skill, so don't give up. Have fun skateboarding. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, comment below what y'all want to see next. And I'm out.